Hello and welcome. Today, I'll guide you through the Urban Adaptation Tools website, your go-to platform for urban resilience and adaptation tools that has been designed by the Urban Engineer Department of Gustave Eiffel University in France. Whether you're a student, researcher, urban planner, or policymaker, this website is designed to support you in making data-driven decisions. The Urban Adaptation Tools website is an innovative and interactive platform designed to address the critical challenges of urban adaptation and resilience in the context of climate change. This tool provides insights into how cities adapt, evolve, and respond to environmental, social, and economic pressures. This platform has an intuitive navigation system that guides users seamlessly through its various sections, with resources and examples available for direct download. Step-by-step instructions and detailed explanations ensure that both novice and experienced users can confidently engage with the tool. Let's get started. As you can see, the homepage has a simple, user-friendly layout. At the top, the navigation bar offers quick access to all key sections: Home, Overview, Extremes, Adaptation, Impacts, Solutions, Legislative Tools, Projects, About Us, and more. Let's explore these sections step by step. The homepage provides an overview of the platform's purpose. You'll find a brief introduction about the tool, clear instructions, and downloadable templates to help you get started. Simply follow the steps outlined. If we go back to the navigation bar and click on Overview, which allows you to see the structure of the tool through the interactive diagram, from here, you can look at the locations of the different projects. Map Tool. This section aims to geographically reference the different projects analyzed through this tool. As you can see, it is on a worldwide scale. This map can be read in several ways. You can do a specific search for projects based on a predefined geographical area or a specific climate. You can also compare these projects according to their climate and location. This map is also intended to summarize and group the projects. Moreover, this tool is constantly evolving to allow a more global view of all these projects. If you are looking for an understanding of the climate mechanisms and their responses, you can consult the table section or go through the sheets dedicated to extreme, adaptation, or impacts. These sheets detail the causes and solutions that have been addressed. This allows us to consider the mitigation of these phenomena. In the table, solutions are listed and classified in blue, green, and gray. They are also linked to the legislative texts related to urban projects. The legislative section is also classified by a country or international organization. But for now, let's explore the navigation bar in detail. Next, the projects section offers an extensive library of case studies and visual guides. These materials provide additional context and insights, helping you ground your analysis, research, and comparison. And they are also classified by countries. For example, France, Spain, Netherlands, etc. And if we, for example, go to the first one, Urban Canopy in Toulouse, we can see that there's a sheet that describes the project, the hazards taken into account, the direct and indirect benefits, the strategy, and a small bibliography. Under the About Us section, you can learn more about the tool's mission, the team behind the platform. Under the Extremes section, you can see that there is a list of different extremes, such as heat waves, wildfires, heavy rain flooding, and cold waves. If you want to learn more about, for example, storms, you click on Learn More and you can go to a sheet where the causes and major flow disruptions and amplifications, effects, and legislations are listed with different sites and a bibliography that you can check. If you go to the Adaptation section, you can see that there is global warming and increasing rainfalls. And if you want to learn more about global warming, for example, you click on Learn More and you have another sheet that explains the causes, related phenomena and effects, possible actions and strategies, and a small bibliography linked to this phenomena. If you go to the Impact section, you will find different impacts such as food tensions, ecosystem destruction, energetic tensions, health tensions, desertification, and rising waters. And same as before, if you want to learn more about food tensions, you just click on Learning More. And there you have a sheet with the causes, effects, actions, and strategies, and a bibliography. In the Solution section, you will find 3 different sections or types of solutions: the green solutions, the blue solutions, and the gray solutions. If you click on Green Solutions, you will go to a section where the green solutions are listed and then detailed with the benefits, indoor benefits, co-benefits, effects, and cases of applications, and another bibliography. These cases of applications are the same as the projects that we saw before. So if, for example, we click on the project Claude Bernard Paris, we will go to the project section where this project is listed with a description, the hazards taken into account, the direct and indirect benefits, and the strategy, and a small bibliography about the project. Going back to the overview table section, we can find a sort of mind map of the entire site and how it is built. We can see that the extremes, adaptations, and impacts are also listed here with their links. And the way to read and use the table is clearly explained and detailed here. And then you can see that the tables are classified by extremes, adaptations, and impacts as seen before. And in the first section of extremes, we have a table for the heat waves where you can find the solution, the legislative tools, and the projects. And the wildfires table also has the same configuration. Therefore, we can find the solutions, the legislative tools, and the project. And as seen before, we can, for the wildfires extreme, for instance, if we want to see a project linked to this extreme, we can click on the urban canopy in Toulouse, for example, and go directly to this section where the project is described and detailed. If we go back to our table and we click, for instance, on the solution urban forest, we can also go directly to the section where the urban forest is detailed and explained. Same goes for the legislative tools, the blue solutions, and gray solutions. Same goes for the storm's extremes, the flooding, and the cold waves. And also for the section of adaptation, the same organization and classification is also true here. So, for example, for the extreme temperatures, we can have the solutions classified with green solutions, blue solutions, and gray solutions, with the different legislative tools and the projects linked to the elements. For global warming also, and the heavy rain. Same goes for the impact section, for example, for the food tensions, ecosystem destruction, energetic tensions, health tensions, desertification, and rising waters. All these elements are downloadable through this button in PDF form. Finally, if you wish to participate in the growth of the tool, please do not hesitate to go to the participation section and more. Here you can find the different files to submit a project, idea, or strategy. If you want to learn more about how to add and build pages, develop site graphics, insert elements, and help us grow the tool, you can find below some small sheets with instructions on how to help. That's a wrap for our tour of the Urban Adaptation Tools website. We hope this platform empowers you to tackle urban challenges with confidence. Don't wait. Start exploring today by visiting our site. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing how you use these tools to create sustainable and resilient urban systems.